After we introduced the TPG adapter, customers soon asked for a version that was toolless. So we went to work and created the quick adapter. It looks very similar, but it is not identical. It's slightly larger. It retains the original nut plate feature that you're used to for locking it into the guide rail, but it also works without it. And let me show you how that works. To use the quick adapter in the quick mode, you remove the nut plate and set it aside, and you have a U-channel that is dimensioned to fit right over the T-slot on your guide rail, like so. And because we have two zero clearance adjustment screws in here that I've already taken the clearance out of so that it's zero, as you can tell, there's no movement at all. And it's so rigidly connected that I can just drag the entire assembly this way, and at the same time it's sturdy enough that I can grab this and just pull it up as I would getting ready for the cut, and I'm set to go. And when I'm done, I just pick it up. And when I want to cut again, I can set it down and do this. It's that simple. Here is the secret to the function of the zero clearance adjustment screws. The white plastic tip prevents marring the guide rails, and the blue thread locker is adjustable at your discretion, but prevents the screw from rotating unintentionally. So now you have the convenience of choice, the easy on, easy off quick adapter version, or you can use it in the rigid connected version if you want to carry the whole assembly with you. Your choice, your convenience. I know you'll enjoy it.